Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will see how to enable single hand mode in your Samsung Ultra series. For example, S23 Ultra or any S series for your Samsung devices. So let's start the video and check out the method here. First of all, do one thing, go to settings. Okay, open settings and here scroll down and there is an option called advanced features. Just go ahead and tap on that. Once you tap on that, just scroll down and here if you see there is an option called one-handed mode. Just go ahead and enable that. By default, it will be disabled on your iPhone. Just go ahead and just enable that. Once you enable that, open it. There are two options given to you like your gesture and button. So what you can do for a gesture, just swipe a finger over this home button. Otherwise, button, just double tap the home button. For now, let's choose gesture. Okay, come back to your home page and here now to enter into the one-handed mode, do one thing, just swipe your finger or thumb over the home button. Like this, automatically your Samsung 23 Ultra will enter into the one-hand mode. From here, use it just like your normal phone, smartphone with all the features on your display. Okay, like that, easily everything will be given to you, shown to you just like a normal display screen. So, like this, you can easily enter into the one hand mode on your Samsung 23 Ultra or Ultra series, yeah, any Samsung Galaxy S series. So, like that, you can do it on your phone as well. So, guys, that's it. I hope you got the video helpful. I hope you got this trick, and if yes, please like the video and subscribe. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.